it's TxStampin Sharon. Today I'm bringing you a Christmas card. It is that season. We need to start getting some ideas. I think you're going to love mine. I'm just saying. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. You can subscribe by hitting the button below and then hit the notification bell and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. If you like what I'm going to show you, you make sure that you check out my website below so that you can do these cards. Here is the holiday catalog from Stampin Up. I love everything in here, but when I came across this one thing, I went nuts, and you're going to see what I mean, so stay with me. This right here is called the Most Wonderful Time Product Medley. It is kind of pricey. It looks pricey. It's $70, and you go, yikes. Okay, but you get the stamps, you get the dies, you get ribbon, you get stars, you get self-adhesive die stickers, you get some gold foil sheets, and you get a pack of the 6x6 Designer Series paper. I sat down and started making cards with this medley. I have made 14 so far, and I'm going to show them to you at the end, so make sure you stay tuned. I had a local class, and my ladies went nuts, so they all ordered one, and they're coming back over at the end of the month. We're going to do a potluck, and we're going to make some Christmas cards. And even though that $70 sounds pricey, I think you could make about 100 cards with this Designer Series paper. You do have to add the Whisper White card base, but other than that, everything is included. What a deal. Here's the card that we're going to make on today's video. Super, super cute. Another easy kind of fold, but if you don't like this one, you stay tuned because I'm going to show you a ton of different ideas. And I will be offering this as an online class after I finish writing up all the measurements for my class that I'm going to have here in my home. And I think you're going to love what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to be using a Real Red ink pad. Here's the stamp set. Here are the dies. I haven't even hardly used these yet, so they haven't even made it to one of my black magnetic sheets yet. Here's all the pieces that I need, and I cut the Designer Series paper. It measures 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. My Whisper White layer, and I did use Whisper White thick because this is kind of all open. I wanted some support. It is 2 1/2 by 3 1/2, so that lays very nicely. I am changing it up because there's so many different patterns of the Designer Series paper. This strip is 3/4 by 5 1/4. This is 2 inches by 5 1/4. So this is my Whisper White card base, and I cut it at 6 1/2 by 5 1/2, and then I cut a strip that is 1 inch by 5 1/2. That's going to go for the bottom. Now, if you look at my card, when I was making cards, I usually just have bases. So basically, I ended up just cutting off the 2 inches. Does that make sense? I probably just confused you by doing that. I apologize. So anyway, this is 6 1/2 by 5 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. Okay, let's just make it simple. We're going to be using the little gold stars that come in the medley. And we're going to be using some of the self-adhesive dies. If you choose to make all your cards like this, pull out the Stamparatus. I'm going to show you how to make this super simple. I like to protect my foam mat with a piece of the paper that matches this. You can buy with a piece of the grid paper that matches that is for the Stamparatus. You can buy this in a pad, and as you can see, I'm almost out, so I need to order some more. We're going to place our card base just like this on the Stamparatus. Hold it down with a magnet, and then I'm not going to attach anything just yet. You could, but I just want to show you. We're going to be using this for eyeball purposes. So really, I don't think that part matters, but once you get it lined up, you don't have to keep doing this. You only have to do this part one time, okay? So we're going to hold that down. On this card, I use Comfort and Joy. On this card, I want to use Deck the Halls because it fits too. A little bit bigger, takes up a little bit more room. Okay, so now we know that that lines up perfectly. I love the Stamparatus because if I didn't like that, it didn't get inked up enough, I can just ink it again and stamp again. I haven't moved anything, so it's all going to be perfectly fine. So like I said, once you have done this part, just eyeballing where it's going to go, then you're good to go. Like, you don't have to keep doing what I just did. You'll just put your card in, ink up the stamp, put another one in. Make sense? The Stamparatus is going to come in very handy with your holiday cards because we're usually making quite a few, so we wanted to go quick and easy. We're going to go ahead and adhere our layers together. I think this is a quick and easy card. That would be a cute pattern too. Wait till I show you the rest of this paper. It's super pretty. We're gonna add this strip. Kind of skinny. There we go. We're gonna place this at the bottom. And we only want to add adhesive to the top and to the bottom, okay? Because we don't want to glue the card shut. I almost did that, so be careful. So we're gonna line this up, making sure that bottom one is where we want it. Then we're gonna take some candy canes. Now, on this one, got a little crazy with the candy canes, so I decided we're gonna just add 2 to the front so that we can make some more cards. And we're gonna do this. And we're gonna do this. And on this one, I did use the stars to put, let's see if you can see that. See the little stars? Just to give the 3 stars a little bit more pop. But on this one, I don't have any stars, so I'm not going to use stars on this card, but I used them on the other one, so don't worry. All right, so we're going to open this up, and you can add another candy cane on the inside. But we want to make sure that we can't see it peeking out, so we're going to do it like this. Or you don't have to. You could leave that for another card front. Just saying. So now we have plenty of room to write our message and our greetings to our friends and family. Super cute, super easy, right? All right, let me show you the other cards. So when I said 14, I meant a few gift cards, okay? Little gift tags. We're gonna need those, aren't we? This one is super cute. I don't know if you can tell, but there's some packages that are popped up. So cut out a few of the packages and pop them up from another piece. Look at this. Can you see? Let me show you that ribbon. It's tinsel. Look at that. It's so cute. It says it's gold and white, but to me it's more gold and clear. But it's super fun. Very easy to wrap around that tree. And just so you know, the tree was a die cut sticker. Boom. Popped it up with a few dimensionals, good to go. Here's one with some deer. Here's one. See, there's those stars. super easy, super cute. A little bit different. Kind of cornered the ends. Look at this, little fun fold. I hope that you love these. Look, there's that tinsel. Okay. Okay, I wanted to show you, like these are all the bits that I have. See, here's that page that I cut out some of the packages with. But I have all these bits that can be used on other cards. Okay, so here are the gold foil. This is really thick cardstock. It's almost like our Whisper White thick. So there's several of those. And then there's all these patterns of paper. And there's some more of the packages. I mean, you have so much. The back side of that is the trees, but it's gold foil. So one side has gold foil, the other side does not. And there's the gold. I mean, I have so much paper left over. That's why I say that I will probably be able to make 100 cards with this paper that's left over. Okay. Then I still have some of the self-adhesive dies. When I run out of those, I've got the dies that come with the bundle, with the medley, and I can just cut out more trees and stuff. So I wanted to introduce you to the medley. I'm super excited about it. I think it's gonna make everyone's holidays cards go really fast and fun. I hope this gave you an idea to make a ton of Christmas cards fast, easy, and adorable. Happy stamping, y'all!